Hey, it's that time of the week again. It's Thursday Cooking with Kevin. Welcome back. So we have something very easy. Few ingredients, very simple. I think the baking time is longer it's going to take to actually put everything together. So what do we got? It's called ice cream bread. Now, I'm not talking about a piece of bread, ice cream, then another piece of bread. I'm actually talking about using ice cream for bread. So, what do we have for ingredients? Some flour. How much do you ask? 1.5 cups of flour. Salt. How much do you ask? 1/4 teaspoon. Baking powder, right, dear?
Mm-hmm.
How much do you ask? 1 3/4 teaspoon. And 2 cups of kind of melted ice cream. Any flavor. We are using maple walnut. So it's good.
If you already have self-rising flour, you don't need all of that.
Yes, but we don't have self-rising flour. That's why we need the baking powder, the salt and flour. One thing, I know it's not on that list, and I'm going to add, because I think it's going to add some flavor, we need some vanilla.
Sure.
And not just any vanilla. Well, it's not even vanilla. Well, it is, sort of. It's pure almond extract.
Oh, the almond extract, not vanilla extract.
That's right. Okay.
Have that nutty flavor.
I said 1.5 cups of flour, right?
I don't know. It's right there in front of you.
I have my glasses on. I think this is going to work out. 1.5 cups. So I need my 1/2 cup.
And we had a request to make healthy desserts.
Yes.
So
we're gonna.
We gotta do some research.
Yeah. I know there's some things we can do with Splenda, but our friend Blake does a lot of that stuff with Splenda.
Yeah, we'll have to figure it out.
Yeah.
1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Maybe.
Your arms just get shorter and shorter every day.
Yeah, well, you know, what happens when I don't wear my glasses, right?
So there, you just made self-rising
flour. Yeah.
Well, you got to mix that together first. But
okay, sure.
I think you didn't. Okay. Oh.
Well, we're just gonna hit pause. Okay, sorry for the pause. That was kind of some good news. That was the nurse at my surgeon's office at the hospital at the neurology. It's just I'm actually going back in having a second surgery. The other one's on my back because I got stenosis in my lower back between L4 and L5. Less invasive surgery. So yeah, I got to go in on Monday to do paperwork and stuff. So okay. So that's that. So where were we? Ice cream. So yeah, we're I'm guessing with this normally it's about 1/2. I don't know.
Just put like not very much. It's strong.
Her like me.
The smell maybe.
Ooh, I walked into that one.
No, wait. I didn't measure that.
You told me you measured it.
No, I didn't. I just said I got...
I wouldn't have dumped the vanilla in here, then you dump by.
It's okay.
No,
just
it's not.
About 2 cups, so it's probably close to.
Well, I gotta mix it first, though.
Yes, you do.
Because I put the vanilla in here.
Yes, you do.
Oh,
I just
Lord.
put
How
a-
did I make it to 30 years?
I just did a few scoops of ice cream.
Well, I got news for you. You are off. You did a few scoops. You need to make it to 2 cups.
Well, get another scoop out and just mush it up.
You're short about a half cup. Kind of like you're short a few bricks of a full load. Okay. Well, that's her.
That's the ice cream. Briars.
It was yummy too. Alright, so.
She said you could put it in the microwave for a few seconds.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. It's got to be like a liquid anyway, so.
Yeah, you just don't want it heated though.
Hmm?
You just don't want it to be heated.
Mm.
You just put the spoon back in the thing. It's a good thing we're the only ones eating it.
You gotta say, like when do we,
Oh yeah, where'd you put the oven at?
350, and we make, it's funny, anywhere between 35 to 50 minutes.
Yeah.
But, yeah, I guess the video that we seen, I guess it wasn't fully cooked or something. I think it was the first time she made it,
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
but doesn't matter. We'll, I'll probably put it in 40 minutes or so. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Did I guess that right or what? Who's the champion? Who's the boss?
Brody.
Yeah. Okay. Now that I've made a mess.
You always do.
Yeah, so? Okay, before I mix it, we are gonna line. So she lined her cake back. I'm gonna answer. It's Dorothy. Says connecting video. Well, hello.
How are you?
Good, good.
Am I interrupting your video?
Well, you're not interrupting. You can say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody! Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Okay, we won't be long.
Okay,
All right, bye. Okay. Yeah. Well, guess what?
Can I tell you an easier way to do that?
What?
You make a strip of paper that's this wide and put it this way, and then make a strip of paper and put it that way. All right.
Listen to this.
I'll let you tell me it's easier.
Voila. And I'm not saying your idea wouldn't work, but I can do it. This is easy like this.
I know my idea works because I've seen other people do it.
Okay, let's get some mixing here. We start this up slow because it will,
It'll puff.
yeah. I keep forgetting that with this, with flour.
Oh, Mr. Brody. Want to say hi? No, stay back there so everybody can say hi. Say, everybody wore me out at my mommy and daddy's party.
Drop it.
Aw, you sprayed me.
Oh, that's too bad.
Brody's just trying to figure out where he wants him to go.
Oh.
I hope this turns out as good as it. Catherine made it too, actually.
Oh, did she?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Catherine did too. Yeah. But I originally saw it on another channel. Emmy
Yeah, well,
Emmy
that's-
something, I can't remember.
It's always nice trying to. Oh, it's almost like glue.
Yeah, it was
Just the
thick.
consistency. Yeah, that's good. Got a little bit of almond in it. I don't know if there's enough almond.
I don't think we've ever had so many interruptions. And that's why I talked Kevin into getting a camera. Because we'd be doing videos with my phone and people would call and... Okay, don't bang it down like that.
Okay. I'm just gonna trim some of that. You want to leave just a little bit. All right, so here we go. So what we're gonna do, we will bring you back, and this comes out of the oven. And it's done. It's actually been done for a while. We had to let it cool down. Oh, it smells like maple walnut. And look at the color. It come out so nice.
Yep.
And we ended up baking it for, is it 40 or 45 minutes? I think is what I had it in. Oh, it just kind of falls apart.
Look at that. Let's have a look.
You can get your nose back, Brody. Oh, and it cut so nice.
Look at that.
Still a little warm.
It's definitely like a dessert bread.
Oh yeah.
Big chunks of walnuts.
Okay.
Very mild, but a nice, nice flavor. I really enjoy it.
I would have added a little bit more of the almond. Now, it is.
It must be good because you're
It's
smacking.
not- Yeah, but it's because it's moist, but it's still a little dry. So probably could have backed it off a few minutes on the baking.
Oh, I think I'm pleased with it.
But you're not using all the wet ingredients that you would normally.
I wonder how it would taste with some butter on it.
Probably good.
We'll go get some butter and try it.
You're closer to it.
Go get the butter and try it. Mmm. Yummy. Brody, gonna get yourself in trouble.
Hey. You've already had a day where you decide to lick the butter one day. Good thing we're a loving family. You can just wait until I try it with butter in here.
Good. Put some butter on mine, please. Mmm. Yummy. All right. So we'll put the recipe in the description box.
Should do that. All right. Well, that's it for Cooking with Kevin this week. So,
Because he wants to have his mouth full of bread.
well, if you happen to see Kelly's video that she posted, we're going to be on Thursday a few days ago, on Wednesday. No, Tuesday night. No, Wednesday.
Yeah.
The unboxing.
Yeah, it was Wednesday.
Yeah. So, that's what we're going to be doing for the next 3 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yummy.
But little do you know, I'm going to be cooking it 3 nights in a row. But we're going to make enough videos for 3 weeks. So, make sure you watch next week. Not going to tell you which one we're making because I really haven't decided yet. I think we have.
I think so, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, but we're not 100% positive. So make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to click down on the subscribe button if it's your first time at the channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified when we post new videos. Okay, anyways, see everybody next week.